Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Eid-e-Gadir. This week, Shia Muslims across the world observe Eid-e-Gadir, marking the anniversary of an important event in Muslim history. According to Shia belief, tradition, and interpretation of history, this occasion commemorates the pivotal gathering at Gadir Khum when Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him and his family, based on a divine command from Allah, designated Hazrat Ali as his successor and the first in the continuing line of hereditary Imams. In historical sources, it is recorded that on the way back to Medina after performing a pilgrimage to Mecca, the Prophet received a revelation, Surah Al-Ma'idah, Surah 5, Ayat 67, that we recite in our daily prayers. And I quote, O Messenger, deliver to the people what has been revealed to you from your Lord, and if you do not do so, then you will not have delivered his message. Unquote. Numerous reliable hadith sources, both Shia and Sunni, record this event which took place in the year 632 CE. Upon receiving this revelation, the Holy Prophet stopped at an oasis known as Gadir Khum and addressed a large gathering of Muslims who had accompanied him. It is said that the Prophet proclaimed, and I quote, Man kuntu maulahu fa aliyun maulahu, unquote, meaning, he whose Mawla I am, Ali is his Mawla. The Prophet then prayed, O Allah, be a friend of whoever is his friend and extend your support to those who support him. According to Shia belief, by declaring Hazrat Ali as Mawla after him, the Prophet transferred his own spiritual authority bestowed upon him by Allah to Hazrat Ali, making him and all the Imams that follow the Amirul Mu'mineen or Master of the Believers. On instruction from Prophet Muhammad, Hazrat Ali received Bay'ah, the oath of allegiance, from the Muslims assembled there. According to Shia traditions and sources, following the proclamation, the final verse of the Quran was revealed to the Prophet. Quote, On this day, I have perfected for you your religion, completed my favors upon you, and I have chosen for you Islam as your religion. Unquote. This marks the end of the Prophet of Nabuwah or prophethood and the historical beginning of the institution of Imamat. Eid-e-Gadir is an anniversary of special significance to all Shia Muslims as it is also associated with the well-attested tradition in which the Prophet is said to have proclaimed, and I quote, I am leaving among you two matters of great weight, Al-Taqlain, the Book of Allah, and my kindred, Itrati, the people of my house, Ahle Bayt. And these two shall never be separated until they return to me at the pool of Kausar in paradise on the day of judgment. Unquote. The Shia Ismaili tradition bears witness to the continuity of the authority vested at Gadir Khum. Today, this leadership and authority is vested in Maulana Hazar Imam. The rope of Imamat has continued over 1400 years from Hazrat Ali to the present 50th hereditary Imam and direct descendant of Prophet Muhammad through Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Bibi Fatimatul Zahra Khatune Jannat. In commemorating Eid-e-Gadir, the Jamaat celebrates the seminal event of Gadir Khum reaffirming our allegiance to the Imam of the time as the direct lineal successor and inheritor of the authority of Hazrat Ali. Eid-e Gadir Mubarak.